Hello everyone, welcome to today's world. My name is Sangam. आमे प्रीवियस क्लास रे किसी इंपोर्टेंट जीएस क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करथिले जो माने भी प्रीवियस क्लास देखि नाहंती देखि नियंतु एही सीरीज टी हेल्पफुल हबो अपकमिंग गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स. Let's start today discussion. Today first question is the hanging gardens of Babylon is associated with which of the following ancient culture? First option is Egyptian, second option is Mesopotamia, third option is Chinese, last option is Harappan, then correct option is Mesopotamia. The hanging gardens of Babylon were the fabled gardens which are not the capital of the Neo-Babylonian Empire, built by its greatest king Nebuchadnezzar II. One of the seven wonders of the ancient world, they are the only wonder whose existence is disputed amongst historians. Okay, then correct option is option B. Move to next question. Narmada Bachao Andolan is associated with dash. First option is M.S. Swaminathan, second one is Medha Patkar, third one is Chandi Prasad Bhatta, last one is Sundarlal Bahuguna. Sundarlal Bahuguna. Then correct option is Medha Patkar. Option B. Narmada Bachao Andolan is a social movement that was formed to protest against the construction of the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River in India. The movement was led by Medha Patkar, a social activist who fought for the right of the people displaced by the dam project. Then correct option is Medha Patkar. Then move to next question. In which year Disaster Management Act was passed in India? First option is 2003, second one is 2004, option C is 2005, and last option is 2002. Then correct option is option C, 2005. The Disaster Management Act 2005 was passed India on December 23, 2005. This act aimed to provide a comprehensive framework for disaster management in the country, including prevention, mitigation, preparedness, response and recovery. Okay, in which year Disaster Management Act was passed? 2005. Move to next question. The gas which leaked from Union Carbide Factory, Bhopal. Union Carbide Factory, Bhopal. First option is carbon monoxide, second option is methane, third option is methyl isocyanate, and last option is sulfur dioxide. Then correct option is option C. Option C, methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate. The chemical formula of methyl isocyanate is CH3NCO. CH3NCO. Methyl isocyanate is used in the production of rubbers and adhesives. It is colorless, poisonous, irritating material and is extremely hazardous to human health. Okay. Move to next question. Earthquake occurs due to dash. First option is sudden release of energy which cause the seismic waves to shake the ground. Second option is gradually release of energy which cause the seismic wave to shake the ground. Then third option is the horizontal and vertical movement of the Himalayan frontal fold. And last option is the accumulated tension between the divergent plates. Then correct option is option A. Correct one is option A. Earthquake occur when there is a sudden release of energy in the earth lithosphere, usually as a result of tectonic plate movement or volcanic activity. This energy release creates seismic waves that travel through the earth, causing the ground to shake, sometimes violently. The sudden release of the energy can be triggered by various factors, including the movement of tectonic plates, the build up of stress in the earth crust, or the collapse of underground caverns. Okay, then correct option is option A, sudden release of energy which caused the seismic waves to shake the ground. Move to next question. 19th November is observed as dash day. First one is World Green Day, second one is World Anti-Poverty Day, third option is World Toilet Day, last option is World Clean Water Day. Then correct option is option C, World Toilet Day. World Toilet Day is observed on November 19th every year. The day aims to raise awareness about the importance of sanitation, hygiene, and access to clean toilet, especially in developing countries. The United Nations General Assembly designated November 19th as World Toilet Day in 2013. Okay, then correct option is option C, World Toilet Day. Move to next question. In the context of biodiversity, which among following regions of India considered hotspots? First option is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second option is plain of Ganga. Third option is Central India. Last option is none of the above. Then correct one is option A, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are considered a biodiversity hotspot due to their unique geographic and locations. The islands are home to a vast array of flora and fauna, many of which are endemic and found nowhere else in the world. The island isolation from the mainland has allowed species to evolve independently, resulting in a high level of endemism. Then correct option is option A, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Move to next question. Kyoto Protocol is related to dash. First one is air pollution, second option is greenhouse gas, third option is climate change, and last option is water pollution. The correct option is option B, greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas, which is closely related to climate change. The Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty that aims to reduce greenhouse gas emission and mitigate climate change. Adopted in 1997 in Kyoto, Japan. The protocol sets binding targets for developed countries to reduce their emission of 6 greenhouse gases, including carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. The protocol entered into force in 2005 and was succeeded by the Paris Agreement in 2015. Okay, then correct option is option B, greenhouse gas. Move to next question. Which one of the following is not greenhouse gas? Which one of the following is not a greenhouse gas? First option is methane, second one is nitrous oxide, third one is chlorofluorocarbon means CFC, and last one is hydrogen. Then correct option is hydrogen. Hydrogen is not considered a greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gases are gases in the Earth's atmosphere that absorb and emit radiation, trapping heat and contributing to global warming. Hydrogen, on the other hand, is a highly reactive gas that is not typically considered a greenhouse gas. Then 6 greenhouse gases. 6 greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide. First one is carbon dioxide. Then second is methane. Third is hydrofluorocarbons. Then fourth is perfluorocarbons. Perfluorocarbons. Then fifth is nitrous oxide. nitrous oxide, and sixth one is sulfur hexafluoride. Sulfur hexachloride. Sixth greenhouse gas is carbon dioxide, methane, hydrofluorocarbons, perfluorocarbons, nitrous oxide, and sulfur hexachloride. Okay, then which one of the following is not greenhouse gas? This is hydrogen, option D. Move to next question. In observation of insolation, the most significant part is played by dash. First option is carbon dioxide, second is ozone, third option is oxygen, and fourth option is H. Then correct option is option A, carbon dioxide. However, in the context of absorption of insolation means solar radiation, the most significant part are played by water vapor. Water vapor is absorb a significant portion of the sun radiations, particularly in the infrared region. Then second one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide absorb radiation in the infrared region, trapping heat in the atmosphere. Ozone play a crucial role in absorbing ultraviolet radiation from the sun, protecting life on Earth. Oxygen and has also play roles in absorbing solar radiation, but to a lesser extent. Oxygen and has also play, but is a lesser extent. Okay, then correct option is option A, carbon dioxide. Move to next question. DDT is a major contributor to soil pollution because it kills useful microorganisms. Second option is it destroys valuable species of worms. Third option is it is non-biodegradable. And fourth option is it interferes with pesticides. What is full form of DDT? DDT full form is diphenyl trichloroethane. DDT full form is diphenyl trichloroethane. Okay, then correct option is option C. It is non-biodegradable. DDT is diphenyl trichloroethane is a synthetic pesticide that was widely used in the past. One of the major concerns with DDT is that it is non-biodegradable, meaning it does not break down easily in the environment. As a result, DDT can persist in soil, water, and air for many years, contaminating ecosystems and accumulating in the food chain. Then correct option is DDT. DDT is a major contributor to soil pollution because it is non-biodegradable. Okay, move to next question. Which one of the following is a useful biological indicator of sulfur dioxide pollution? First one is bryophytes, second one is algal blooms, third one is pseudomonas, and last option is lichen. Then correct option is lichen. Lichen are highly sensitive to air pollution, particularly sulfur dioxide. They are useful biological indicator of SO2 pollution. Then correct option is option D, lichen. Move to next question. The term ecosystem was proposed by dash. किए देइथिले term ecosystem? First option is G. Taylor, second one is E. Hartigan, and third option is Dr. Stoddart, and last option is Tansley. First option is G. Taylor, second one option is E. Hartigan, and option C is Stoddart, and last option is Tansley. Then correct option is option D, Tansley. The term ecosystem was coined British ecologist Arthur George Tansel in 1935. Tansel, a plant ecologist, introduced the concept of the ecosystem in his paper The Use and Abuse of vegetational concept and terms published in the journal Ecology. Then the term ecosystem was proposed by Tansel. Okay, correct option is option D. Move to next question. El Nino develops in the dash. El Nino develops in the dash. First one is Pacific Ocean. Second one is Indian Ocean. Third option is Mediterranean Ocean. Last option is Atlantic Ocean. Then correct option is option A, Pacific Ocean. El Nino is related to the eastern part of the Pacific Ocean, which increase the temperature of the surface water. Increase the temperature of surface water. Then correct option is option A, Pacific Oceans. Then move to next question. Which of the following sea does not have a coastline? Which of the following seas does not have a coastline? First option is Black Sea. Second is Sargasso Sea. Third option is Sea of Azov. And last option is Caspian Sea. Then correct option is Sargasso Sea. Option B, Sargasso Sea. Sargasso Sea in the North Atlantic is bounded by the Gulf Stream on the west and northwest, the North Atlantic drift or current on the north. Azure current on the northeast and Antilles current on the southwest. Then correct option is Sargasso Sea does not have a coastlines. Correct option is Sargasso Sea. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Then move to next question. Taylor Valley is located in dash. Taylor Valley is located in dash. First option is Australia. Second option is Antarctica. Third option is Canada. And last option is United States of America. United States of America. Then correct option is option B, Antarctica. Option B, Antarctica. Taylor Valley, which is located in Antarctica, was discovered by Robert Falcon Scott in 1903. He gave it the name of Valley of the Dead. What? Valley of the Dead. Okay. Then Taylor Valley is located in dash Antarctica. Correct option is option B. Move to next question. The equator does not pass through which of the following countries? Does not pass through which of the following countries? First is Kenya. Second is Mexico. Third one is Indonesia. And last option is Brazil. Then correct option is Mexico. Equator pass through 13 countries. How many countries? 13 countries. This is 13 country is Brazil, Colombia, then Democratic Republic of the Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, then third is Ecuador, third is Democratic Republic of the Congo, fourth is Ecuador, fifth is Gabon, sixth is Indonesia, seven is Kenya, eighth is Republic of the Congo, Republic of the Congo, and 9 is Sao Tome and Principe, Sao Tome and Principe, and 10 option is Somalia. 10 option is Somalia. 10 country is Somalia. 11th country is Uganda. 12 is Maldives. And 13 is Kiribati. 13 country is Kiribati. Okay. Yes. Then correct option is option B, Mexico. Equator pass through how many countries? 13 countries. Okay. Then move to next question. Which statement of the following is true for igneous rocks? First is these have little fossils. Second option is they have porous for water. Third option is they are both crystal and non-crystal. Last option is these rocks have no silicas. Then correct option is option C. They are both crystal and non-crystals. The origin of igneous rock mainly related to the process of volcanic eruption. These type of rock are formed by the cooling and solidification of material called magma or lava. Igneous rock have both crystalline and non-crystalline structure, and those statement given option C. Okay, option C. Then correct option is option C. Okay, move to next question. By promotion of Krishnapatnam port, which of the following state would be most beneficiary? First option is Andhra Pradesh, second is Karnataka, third is Kerala, and last option is Tamil Nadu. Then correct option is Andhra Pradesh. By promotion of Krishnapatnam port, the state of Andhra Pradesh would be most benefited. Krishnapatnam port is located in Andhra Pradesh. Which state? Andhra Pradesh. Okay, correct option is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Move to next question. Which soil need little irrigation as it retains soil water? First option is red soils, option B is black soil, option C is laterite soil, and option D is alluvial soil. Then correct option is option B, black soil. The black soil has a high moisture retention level, remarkable self-locked by loose sand particles fallen from the ground into the cracks. The soil retains moisture. The black soil needs little irrigation as it retains soil water. Then correct option is option B, black soil. Okay. Thank you. Today complete next 20 questions. Next 20 GS questions. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, and share these channels to. Please subscribe. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.